Hey guys, Yoduvh Essentials here. For today's video, I'm going to be using a tire or two tires to make a chair. There are a lot of designs out there using tires to make chairs, and a friend of mine reached out to me and said she wanted one. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how I made the chair. I cut the second tire that I had into two, and I want to let you guys know that some of the tires come with wires that are really hard to cut. So if it's possible, stay away from the tires with wires because they're extremely hard to cut. She loves rose gold, so I'm going to be spray painting the tires rose gold. And I got this spray paint from Walmart. I'll be using wood on the tires, and this is a wood that I got from Home Depot that I'll be covering with foam. If you're new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. I'm gonna glue this down and then add batting over it. And then also have a fabric that I got from Joann Fabrics to cover it up. And guys, most of the items that I'm going to be using for this project are items that I already have at home. I told myself that I wasn't going to buy anything for this project, but I ended up buying the two pieces of wood that I will use on the two sides for the tires. I have some of my leftover wood pieces that I cut them to size, and then I painted them all black. These are going to be the support at the bottom for the chair. When they were dry, I took the smaller sizes and I attached them to another round wooden board. Now that I have this all set, I'm going to keep it aside and then take the tire that I spray painted rose gold and attach the provision for seating that I made on it. I'll apply glue around here first and then attach the seating, and when it's dry, I'm going to turn it over and attach the base. But because it's going to sink in, I had to put wood inside that's going to support it. Like I said earlier in the video, the tire that I got has hard wires inside, and because it's cut, it's not safe for the hands, so I'm going to cover that up with duct tape first, before I then cover it up with fabric. Inside the tire was not holding the tape well, so I'm going to hold the tape down with a staple gun. I'm going to keep this aside for now and then take the base of the chair and support it on a leveled wall. This is going to help when I'm attaching the other legs. Now the other legs, remember, were painted black. And now that they're dry, I'm going to be attaching them to the tire. Now I'm going to be attaching the back to the wood. I used just 2 screws per wood before, but then I added 2 more to make it strong and sturdy. The wood that you see that's at the back showing is going to be cut because I kind of miscalculated the height, so I'm going to cut that down. The edges that were covered with tape are going to be covered now with fabric. The next thing I'll do is measure how much foam I'll need to put inside. Because of the nature of the tire, I'm going to make it more comfortable at the back by adding foam. Now the foam is not long enough, so I'm going to be adding this little piece here. And then after that, I'm going to cover it up with batting before I then cover it up with fabric. I used 2 inches foam and it's still not enough, so I'm gonna cut another one and add it in front. So I'll recommend having it as a whole piece instead of separate like mine. Adding the second one, protrude it out a little bit, which is what I wanted. The screw heads that's showing at the back of the chair were all covered with black paint. And I'm done. This was so quick and easy to make. This was not only quick and easy to make, but it's also inexpensive. The person who made this request is not into glam, so that's why I stopped here. But I couldn't help myself, I just had to add something a little bit extra. So this is a trim that I got from Joann Fabric that I've always had with me. And I just tucked it under the tire because it's not permanent. I just want you guys to see what it's going to look like when you add a trim there and tassels. This is another DIY video that I did using tires, and it's one of my favorites, and the link for this video is going to be in the description box below. For my last giveaway, instead of 4 winners, I had to add 1 more, and there are 5 winners. Yay! So the names of the winners are going to be in the description box below. Congratulations, guys! Like I said before, my friend's not into glam. That's why it's looking a little bit bare, but that's the way she wants it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Now don't forget to like it and share with your friends and families as well. Thank you all so much for watching. I have other home decor DIY videos that are linked in the description box below. Do check them out and don't forget to click on the subscribe button.